Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session today in this morning, first period, I hope you are fresh, you are having some zeal and enthusiasm for your this class of mathematics third of BTech Computer Science. I will be discussing, or you can say I am going to discuss, just write the topic, Bessel's equation and Bessel function. Please write B-E-S-S-E-L, Bessel apostrophe S, Bessel's equation and Bessel's function. I hope you have listened the name of alpha, beta and gamma function in your integration. I hope you also know that what is the partial differential equation, how it acts on a function, whether the function is a polynomial or any other function. So please come on the point and start writing. Here is, as I told you, here is gamma function. This is gamma s is equal to limit of integration from 0 to infinity e to the power minus t s t to the power s minus 1 into dt. Take it as equation 1. So far the value of t to the power s minus 1 is concerned. It gives in a result 1 by s into d by dt of t to the power s. Now plug this result, means put this result up to in equation 1. So in the place of t to the power s minus 1, you can put this value here, and after putting this value, your result will take the following shape after integration, or this may be written as s into gamma s is equal to gamma s plus 1. This is just like writing that factorial n plus 1 is what? N plus 1 out and then factorial 1. It's on reverse dimension of that. So then gamma 1 is equal to 1 and gamma 2 is equal to 1. By induction we obtain result this, and then we can find these values as written here. And gamma s has holes at all negative integral value of s. So students, I hope after going through the above result, it is possible for you to come to the equation 8 up to 10. Now I am discussing about Bessel equation as it appears. Let us try to solve the diffusion equation. UP is equal to x delta U inside the disk of radius A in a polar coordinate for this. We impose boundary condition U is equal to U of R is equal to A is equal to 0 with the initial data ut is equal to 0 is equal to pi r theta. In polar coordinates, the previous equation becomes like this. And finally, the radial part r satisfy the equation this. And k square takes discrete value hk square is equal to this corresponding radial function Rn in the small bracket r satisfy the Dirichlet's condition Rn a is equal to 0 by change of variable z is equal to kr. We have this result, which is very, very important. The previous equation is the Bessel equation. I hope you have understand. And one thing that I would like to share with you, that if you want to derive Bessel equation, you have to start your work from the gamma function, then the application of some derivatives in partial form with some given function, then substituting the values and then reaching to the result where we are getting gamma function. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query or any doubt, feel free to write your comment in the comment box. We shall try to resolve your query from there. See students, this is Bessel function. The Bessel function JSZ is defined by the series this. In one line, you have to remember this. This is what? This is the Bessel's function. Function means, you know well, there is a unique association between the values of one part to another part, between the value of the elements of a domain and a codomain. There is a certain rule in which one element of left is associating with the another element of right. So here Z, the Bessel function JSZ is defined by the series this. JSZ is equal to Z by 2 whole to the power S, sigma k is equal to 0 to infinity whole divided by this result and minus 1 to the power k, the numerator, whole into Z by 2, 2 to the power whole to the power 2, 2 into k. This series converges means going to give you a very certain and definite result. So the series is said to be a convergent series. The series converges for all Z on the complex plane. Thus JSZ is the entire function if Z tends to 0. If you put it here Z tends to 0, then what you can find? You can find this result. So students, I hope that you see that what is Bessel function and what are the application of data Bessel function. So thank you for listening this lecture and enjoying this lecture.